Why do we love cars? Why do we love driving? Because there are endless opportunities and ways to express ourselves. Modified cars are an extension of our personality. Even though everyone comes from different backgrounds, some are older, some are younger, you come across all types of car people. Muscle cars, stance, track, autocross, show car, off-road, and many more. Car culture brings people together, and this is our common ground. It's an escape from the mundane lifestyle, the flexibility of driving, freedom to go anywhere at any time. I've met many great people in the car scene throughout my life that I can truly depend on. Nobody understands why we stand around talking about cars, or why we're always cleaning and detailing, or why we're drilling into the bumper at the hardware store or the parking lot. Cars mean freedom. You can get in your car and go anywhere. Modify your car the way you want it and express yourself freely. At the end of the day, we all just love to drive.
Rack it up, I got a bit of the bank to make me a safe house. Shake it up, she got her hands on her knees and she bringing the cake out. Smoke it up, I got some gas, some packs, I'm up in the greenhouse. Ball it up, I'm with the gang, we taking shots off the rebound. Fucking my posters, say now, I've been humble too long, yeah. Tell them all to stay calm, yeah. Tell them all to move on, yeah. Fucking my posters, say now, they be lost in the sauce, yeah. Took a loss, that's your loss, yeah. Had to get my point across, yeah.
There's always a dark side in any scenario. Even in the car culture, you get lots of hate from closed-minded people that try to put you down for any reason, whether it's because you drive a less expensive car, less horsepower, or even just have fewer followers on social media. Lately, people have been losing respect and kindness towards each other. Driving is one way we car guys can get away from the stressful and chaotic lifestyle. Inspire each other instead of putting someone down. No matter what you drive, as long as you drive for your happiness, that's all that matters. We need more kind and open-minded people to lead by example.